In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently manage your Shopify store's inventory, focusing on ensuring your product listings are accurate and up to date. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to navigate to your Shopify admin page. Open a new browser tab and log into your Shopify account, then head over to the My Store dashboard often found on your homepage. This is your central hub where you can control and modify everything about your store. Once you're in, let's move on to the Products section. This requires you to click on the Products tab, which is usually located in the left-hand menu on your dashboard. The product page is where you can view all the items that you have listed in your store. This overview is crucial for managing your store's offerings. Now, from the Products page, find and click on Inventory. The Inventory tab gives you a detailed look at stock levels, allowing you to track how many units you have of each product. This is a key area for ensuring you have enough stock on hand without overbuying. Once you're in the Inventory section, locate the Example shirt. Click on it to view specific details. This step is vital for taking a closer look at individual products. Here, you'll be able to adjust inventory counts, manage stock keeping units, or SKUs, and check variance. As you move through the product details, you'll notice various options. Click on Active to validate that your product is currently listed for sale on your site. This setting ensures that your potential customers can see and purchase this product. Following this, click on Available, as it's important to confirm the amount of stock that is ready for sale. This number should ideally reflect what you actually have on site so that customers don't buy something that's unavailable. Next, ensure you also check the on-hand quantity. This figure is crucial for your back-end records, showing exactly what is physically present in your storage. It helps in reconciling your physical stock with what's shown online. Finally, confirm whether the "This is a physical product" option is selected. This particular setting is important for Shopify to determine whether shipping settings apply. If your product is digital, you'd uncheck this, but for most physical products, it should be checked. And there you have it. These straightforward steps will help you maintain precise control over your inventory on Shopify. Keeping your inventory organized is essential for seamless operation and great customer service. Be sure to regularly update and check these details to keep everything running smoothly. Thanks for joining me today, and until next time, happy selling!